Hi everybody and welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a newly rebuilt 4x8 roll mill. It's actually made by Kent in England, who, if you are familiar with roll mills, you know they were purchased by Ross, and Ross took over the design, has been making them ever since. Of course, as you know, the feed roller to middle roller and apron roller all run at different speeds. These are the original, well, these are actually a new set of rolls we were able to purchase on the used market. We're putting them into this. They're in a little bit better condition than the original ones. Both are perfectly usable. The machine's got an explosion-proof drive, and it's going to come with a new set of controls that they'll install on site. Include a little explosion-proof light here that will replace the little potentiometer in the top of the three-position switch there. Everything's been replaced on the unit. Completely reconditioned. So look at the original set of rolls. They're still in good shape, but these are a little bit better, so we're going with these. We're going to have all types of mills in our stock. Roll mills, hammer mills, knife mills, ball mills. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today. We hope to hear from you soon.